Today you'll learn how to say family members in Arabic and also how to introduce your family members to someone else. And in the description you'll find a link to a free PDF with all the phrases and sentences and words that we've said in this video so that you can keep it on your cell phone to use it whenever that you need it. After you finish the video, go to the description, hit the link, download the file, and keep it with you. If you still don't know my name is Abdurrahman. You can call me Abdu. I am your Egyptian friend, and let's start right away. Number one, the word husband in Arabic means zawj, zawj, zawj. So if you want to say my husband, you say zawji, zawji. Zawj is husband, and is like me. So the husband of me means my husband. So if you want to introduce your husband to someone, you say هذا زوجي. هذا is a demonstrative pronoun. It means this. هذا زوجي means this is my husband. Number two, wife. Wife in Arabic means زوجة. So زوج means husband. زوجة means wife. So if you want to say my wife, you say زوجتي. So زوجة, wife. زوجتي, my wife. And if you'd like to introduce your wife to someone, you say هذه زوجتي. هذه زوجتي. This is my wife. Number three, brother. Brother in Arabic means أخ. أخ. So if you would like to say my brother, you say أخي. 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 And if you'd like to introduce your brother to someone, you say هذا أخي. هذا أخي. هذا أخي. Number four, sister. Sister in Arabic means أخت. So brother means أخ, sister means أخت. أخت. So my sister means أختي. أختي. And if you'd like to introduce your sister to someone, you say هذه أختي. هذه أختي. This is my sister. Number five, father. Father in Arabic means أب. أب. If you'd like to say my father, you say أبي. أبي. And if you'd like to introduce your father to someone, هذا أبي. And mother in Arabic means So if you'd like to say my mother, think about it. I'll give you a second here. Yes, ummi. Just like abi, just like akhi. Ummi. Ummi. Ummi means my mother. And if you'd like to introduce your mother to someone, you say هذه ummi. هذه ummi. And by the way, هذا and هذه in Arabic, they are called demonstrative pronouns. And I have made a video about that. You'll find the link to it in the description, and it will pop up right here or right here. I don't know. I lost the sense of direction. So moving on, if you'd like to say uncle. Uncle in Arabic means two words. There is the brother of your father. This is a word. And there's the brother of your mother. This is another word. So if you would like to say uncle, who is the brother of your father, you say am. And if you'd like to say my uncle, you say ammi. If you'd like to introduce your uncle to someone, you say هذا عمي. And your uncle, who's the brother of your mother, it's called khal. Khal means your uncle, who's the brother of your mother. So if you'd like to say my uncle, you say khali. So introducing your uncle, هذا khali. Moving on, if you'd like to say your aunt, who is the sister of your father, you say amma. Amma means aunt, sister of your father. So amma, ammati, هذه عمتي. And the sister of your mother, she's called خالة. خالتي, هذه خالتي. Same goes with the word cousin. Cousin can be the son of the am or the son of the khal, the son of the brother of your father or the son of the brother of your mother. Ibn am. Ibn means son and am means uncle. So ibn am, ibn amma, ibn khal, ibn khala, bint am, bint amma, bint khal, bint khala. Ibn means son, bint means daughter. So if you'd like to say cousin, there's no word for it in Arabic. It's just adding the word ibn or bint to the word am, amma, khal, khala. If you're having trouble memorizing all that, you don't have to memorize anything right now. Whenever that you need them, you can just look up the PDF that you'll download right now, so you can just know what you're talking about. And if you'd like to say grandfather from the father's or the mother's side, one word, thank God, it's jad. So if you would like to say my grandfather, you say jaddi. If you'd like to say this is my grandfather, you say هذا جدي. And grandmother is جدة. Jad, grandfather, jaddah, grandmother. So jaddah or jaddati, my grandmother, or هذه jaddati, this is my grandmother. So one more time from the top. هذا زوجي, this is my husband. هذه زوجتي, this is my wife. هذا أخي, this is my brother. هذه أختي. This is my sister. هذا أبي. This is my father. هذه أمي. This is my mother. هذا عمي. This is my uncle. هذا خالي. This is my uncle. هذه عمتي. This is my aunt. هذه خالتي. This is my aunt. هذا ابن عمي. هذا ابن خالي. This is my cousin. هذه بنت عمي. هذه بنت خالي. This is my cousin. هذا جدي. This is my grandfather. هذه جدتي. This is my grandmother. Thank you very much for watching. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, do that. Hit the bell button to receive my next videos and support the channel with the likes. Thank you very much. Until I see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.